Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by stabilizing the device. Hold the power for 10 seconds to confirm no boot or loop, because knowing the symptom narrows the path. Once done, make sure you can access the school Apple ID or iCloud. You'll need that for restores and activation locks. Plug in a known good charger and cable, and check the Lightning or USB-C port visually. If the iPad shows a battery icon, record exact behavior. This informs whether to proceed to software restore versus hardware inspection. You now perform the software recovery because most issues hide in corrupted iOS or failed updates. Connect to a trusted computer and enter recovery or DFU mode. This forces the device to negotiate with the host. Use Finder or iTunes and select Update first. That attempts repair without data loss, and if it fails, choose Restore. Make sure to have the school Apple ID credentials handy. Otherwise, the activation lock will prevent setup. After the process, verify Wi-Fi, MDM enrollment, and app provisioning. You complete the fix with targeted hardware checks, inspect the charging port and connectors for debris, test speakers and camera, and look for screen lift, which suggests battery swelling. This separates replaceable parts from software faults. If diagnostics indicate a dead battery or broken display, swap those using the documented school parts process and rerun the restore. Finally, if you hit an activation lock or enrollment error, stop and contact IT with the serial number and proof of ownership. They can clear MDM.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.